Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. When I open it up on my computer, it looks different from the image you posted, but I think I understand what's going on. Let's see, where is that? I should have paid more attention. Okay, there's the garage, and so it's where this room comes into the house. I'm going to use an elevation camera, and this will expose the problem. On an interior room, whatever the purpose of this room, you probably don't want stone, you probably don't want siding up here, but you do want siding up here. It's all the same wall. See, this is a wall polyline, by the way. It has edit handles on it. You can do different things with it. I'm going to undo that. I'm just showing that you can just click on it, and there, the outline of the wall is the wall polyline. Okay, so what I would do with this house, I don't know why you have wall layers turned off, but I'm going to turn that back on. Walls, layers. No reason to turn that off. It's easier to see what the walls are. So I'm going to use the wall break tool and break this wall off here. I'm going to take a look at this wall as it is. Okay, it looked like it's a pony wall already. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is again break it off here, so to isolate this single segment from here to here. And this, I'm going to unpony wall, or I'm going to change the pony wall on it. Okay. It has some kind of drywall on it. I'll have to look. Whoops. Let's see. Hardy wrap. Drywall and hardy wrap on the outside. Okay. That must be that. And then this upper one has stone on it. Okay. Look at that camera again. Stone and siding. Well, you must have, okay, there must be a second floor wall involved here too. Okay. This is a little bit more complicated than I first thought. I'm going to break this wall off from these others that are exterior exposed walls. And again, go back to the elevation camera. See, now when I click on it, I just get this segment. And when I click on this one, I just get this segment. So this lower segment, which I guess is the basement wall, I'm going to go to wall types and let's see. We don't need stone in that interior room. Well, you might want stone in there. I don't know. Anyway, the stone, well, I guess if you want to have stone on the inside of your room, that's up to you. Now this wall, what I'm going to do, go over here to wall types. Oh, it's a pony wall too. Now why, I don't know. I'm going to uncheck that and take a look. Oh, now the whole thing's siding. Okay, I'm beginning to get the picture here a little bit. That wasn't what I was expecting. That's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to make a copy of this wall. And I'm going to, instead of a copy, I'm going to call it interior. And the drywalls don't look the same. I'm going to change this material to just regular drywall. Oh, okay. They look different. Anyway, I want them to set to the same material. on both sides, because this part, okay, I want on the inside of this room, and then I want siding up here. So now I'm going to go back to wall types and pony wall it again, but I'm not going to, I'm going to put the interior on the bottom. I have to find that copy that I made. Excuse me. Well, where is it? I'm probably staring right at it and just don't see it. FBAG. Ah, okay, there it is. I thought I renamed it, but I guess I didn't. Okay. So the lower wall should be, oh, okay, and also that you probably diddled with it over here. Yep. We put that material back to where I'm just going to say use default and get rid of the siding. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Let me check what I'm doing. That's exterior lower wall. No, I don't want that on it. I don't think I wanted that on it. I'm going to put drywall on it as well from the materials tab. Okay. Now this wall, I want it to have, well, I thought I knew what that material was. Let me use this tool here, find out what the vertical paneling buckskin. Okay. I'll take this upper wall polyline, this one. Yeah, and we'll go to the materials tab, exterior, lower, exterior wall, lower wall, lower wall. I think this is the one. We'll go to plan materials and get, excuse me. I have COPD, so I have to clear my throat a lot. For all you guys who hate to hear it, it's tough. I have to live with it. Okay. There it is. Okay, so now I got it up here. Now you click on the wall polyline and use the, I'm going to use this to go up and make it really skinny. And then I'll use the break line tool on the wall polyline to break it into two lines. I'll bring this one down, left click drag. I need to raise that up a little bit. And then grab the other side and pull it down. So on the outside, you have siding, an exterior material. On the inside, now you have an interior material. That's how we do that in the merry old land of Oz. So now we got exterior on exterior, and on the inside, interior stuff. Rest of your model looks pretty good at a glance. I don't see anything to bitch about. Good job. So will introduce you to wall polylines. You can see them in any camera view, but they're easier to work with in elevation view cameras. See, I reshaped that one to fit the exterior part, and the interior part is all a drywall material. Okay, hope this helps you, but whether it does or not, have a great day. Happy 4th of July.